Hey everyone, so I'm doing a Vlogmas this year. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Good morning, it is Vlogmas Day 1. I have not done Vlogmas since 2017. 4 years ago. So much in my life has changed since I have done Vlogmas, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I still live in the same house, but there is so much things in my life that have changed. I've got another child, which I'm going to actually get her out. My husband is actually, hello! My husband is actually having a class at the moment, so I'm filming this in our car. Because it's just a lot easier. And it's quiet for him. I'm going to be doing this till Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve. I haven't decided, but it's going to be most of the month. Also, let me know what you think of this camera quality. The last time I filmed on a Canon G7X, I've actually got this camera, which is a Sony ZV-1, about 6 months ago, and this is actually the first proper vlog that I filmed on it. I have kind of played around with it and taken photos, but nothing else, so I'm very interested to see what the quality is like. It is a lot more zoomed in, but it has a really good focus. Like, it's quite fast, so good for showing products and stuff. Yeah. Indeed, do you want to say anything? Nope. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next part of my vlog, which will probably be me cleaning my house because it's such a sight. But yeah, we... Actually, did you actually just do that?
Yeah.
The door's open. Isn't it locked? Yeah, I think it's open.
I don't know.
All these places are open, I can't see why it wouldn't be.
Oh, look at little Wendy. Wendy Bendy. We're actually going to McDonald's, but we're not sure if we can actually go inside, so yeah.
You need something for baby?
Yeah. I just cleaned up my makeup. I just kind of rearranged it a little bit, so got all my brushes on top there. Lip liners, eyebrow products, mascaras. This is, oh, that's not supposed to be there. Eyeliners. This is like liquid liners and gel liners. This is like little quads and stuff. I'm on a no makeup buying thing at the moment. I'm trying to use everything that I've got. This is just like lipsticks, single eyeshadows. These are like little, I don't even know what those are. Sorry, I've got to get the key. Then this is just like a little mini tour. Foundations, powders, concealers. My other concealers at Mum's. Blush, bronzer, highlighter. These are eyeshadow palettes. This is like Halloween stuff and hair stuff, tan, just random stuff, glitters, and then the last one in here is nail polishes. So accessories and all my nail polish. So yeah, and I lock it because I have an indie. I got free Weet-Bix from school. Free Weet-Bix, free peanut butter, although it's smooth, but I'll use it in like a satay. And then Beverly grabbed one of these Easy O things, which I don't have an Easy O maker, but I think I can make it in the Thermomix. I ran out of pasta sauce, so this is when Thermomixes come in handy because I'm making tomato pasta sauce. So good. Mum's friend gave me these sweet as heels and I almost just broke my foot. They're so cute. They are just from Wish. They're super cute. They're black and they've got like this cute little front detail. I restrung the lights on our Christmas tree, and that was mostly because Indy had kind of pulled them off and I messed up, so I had way too much and I just stuffed them on top. It's not really a big deal because I just don't have the Christmas spirit this year that I normally do. I don't know why, it's just not there. I think it's giving me more anxiety and stress more than like cheerfulness and happiness. But hopefully the like vlogmas and vlogging every day and like getting more into the Christmas spirit will help, but at the moment it's probably like 20% of that. I realised Everly and Arlo weren't in this vlog, and that's mostly because they go to school and so they're in uniform and I just don't want to show that on my channel. So yeah, they will be in the vlogs. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in day 2, and hopefully it'll be a whole lot more exciting because I'm going to do a lot more Christmassy stuff. Today was just really just an average day. Not good, not bad, just average. Bye!